Cozy Home English.
How animals sound, Part 1. A cat. A cat says, meow, meow. Meow, meow. A dog. A dog says, woof, woof. Woof, woof. A cow. A cow says, moo, moo. Moo, moo. A horse. A horse says, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh. A pig. A pig says, oink, oink. Oink, oink. A sheep. A sheep says, baa-baa. Baa-baa. A goat. A goat says, neigh-neigh. Neigh-neigh. A turkey. A turkey says, gobble-gobble. Gobble-gobble. A chicken. A chicken says, cluck-cluck. Cluck-cluck. A rooster. A rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A duck. A duck says, quack-quack. Quack-quack. A goose. A goose says, honk-honk. Honk-honk. A rabbit. A rabbit says, thump-thump. Thump-thump. A donkey. A donkey says, haw-hee-haw. Haw-hee-haw.
Cozy Home English.